Hi, this is Wally. I just wanted to show you on a quick video that I just picked up a Bing Clockworks locomotive. As you can see, it's really in great shape. I really like Clockworks trains. Someday in the near future, I'm gonna make a video with some of them running. This is an early 1920s locomotive, so it's almost 100 years old. And as you can see, it's original paint, but it really looks good. And then here is a wind-up American Flyer Hiawatha. I've had this for a while, but this thing is in perfect condition. I don't even like to wind it up and run it because I sure don't want it to get all banged up and that kind of stuff. So it just sits in a nice spot. You know, got a little dirt on it. Okay, thanks a lot for watching. Talk to you later. Bye.